Okay, so now what I want you to get, what I want you to do, right? You can see the board, right?
Yes.
Okay, what I want you to do every day when you open up your database, just by practice, right?
Yes.
You know that your database is in open mode. Always do this.
Okay.
Always just by practice. Just do select open underscore mode.
From $V database.
There you go. From $V what? Database. Semicolon. Always just I know you already know it's open, but just always do that. Just
Okay.
okay, that your database, yes, in fact, it's open.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Okay. Beautiful. Now, the last thing that we did last class was what? Alias. But alias? Do you remember alias?
Yes, we do alias. Alias was
What's alias? Tell me, what's alias again? Tell me. Explain it to me.
Okay. Maybe I may not extend your own way, but I know that the alias was some kind of sequel that some kind of select statement with the quote to quote on the side. For example, like something like select salary, new salary, you know.
Let me explain to you, right?
Yes.
An alias. See, let me give you an example.
Yes.
If I just do this, select salary from HR.employee, right?
Yes.
Simple command. When it prints out, right, you will see at the top salary. Then you have all the numbers underneath, right? All an alias is doing is say, you know what? I don't want it to say salary on the top. I want it to just show me something different. You understand what I'm saying? Like, for instance, I want it to say big money.
Okay.
Right? So I'll just do something like what? Big money. Right? So I'll do salary, double quotes, big money from HR employees. So that when they now print, right, you won't see salary there, you say big money. So
you see big money.
To know that, oh, this is big money, right? Maybe that's the way that you want to see it, right? It's not the permanent change, it's just the way it prints. But now, when you go back to database, salary is still there. You understand what I'm saying? It's just a temporary, way of printing it on the paper. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense because what I understand for regarding you say what you call the same for example, I know that a Larius, or you say Larius, so it's something like by the time you select a salary from HR the employee,
yes,
it's gonna be always something like instead of salary to show up, either the big money gonna show up or either the money gonna show up. Yeah.
Say that again.
I say it's not gonna show up. Like for example, if you select salary, you have to put on the side big money with quote to quote on the side, or money with quote to quote on the side. Something like gonna make a difference from what we usually do in our command. Like when you say select salary from HR the employee, just simple, the salary just show up. But when you come for the for the salary that you're talking about, you're gonna say select salary and then big money on the side before from HR the employee. So that the big money gonna show up. And the salary not gonna show up. Because I noticed that.
You got it. So it's just a representation of what you want to see. That's all.
But
this is
some.
If I do select salary, big money, and I want to see, okay, I want to see what kind of job they have. Okay, job ID. Maybe people don't like to see job ID. So let's say they want to, I want it to show, let's say, job. or let's say occupation, right? From each other employees, right? Now, if they show big money, oh, this is how much they make, and this is their occupation. So instead of them seeing salary and job ID, they'll see big money and occupation. You see that? Type it. Let me see.
Okay.
Type it.
Okay, hold on. I'll type it.
Type it faster.
Okay, I'm coming, Professor. Hold on. So select salary, big money, job IG, occupation. Okay. It's a big on the sum money, or it's just a mix? It's a big
Just
on
big
the
money.
sum. It's just big money. It's big on the sum money.
See, okay, this is another thing I need to tell you, right? Look, when you put it in double quotes, right? However way you write it is the way it will show. If I do big capital, big money, small letter, big money, big underscore money, big, however, in fact, if I put big, if I do big 8 money, big 8, 9 money, whatever it is, so long as it's between these two double quotes, that's how I'm going to show.
Okay.
Just to let you know.
Okay.
Yes. You can put fish, it doesn't matter.
Because I know usually job IG usually come with underscore, but I don't know if
no. Listen. The salary, the real column names must be spelled the right way. That we cannot change. But the alias, that you can put whatever you want to put. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Professor, I tap it up.
You typed it? It look good?
Yeah, it look good. Let me send you a picture. It look good. Same thing. Okay, I send you a picture.
You send me a picture?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, beautiful. Give me 1 second.
An occupation come up.
Beautiful. I see it.
Is this something? Is it something that you use also a lot? You use at the job or?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Yes. So you're gonna use it also at the job.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. But it's not, remember, at the job, it's not like they're going to be standing behind you. It's just most of the time, these things you just be doing on your own, just to investigate stuff.
Just to investigate.
Yeah, just to investigate. Nobody's going to be standing behind you, you know.
To say that.
No, they give you your space.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying? And remember, most of these jobs are work from home anyway.
So most of them you work at home.
Yeah,
Even,
they work from home. Yeah.
Even my brother that tell me about this school before, and then I didn't do exactly what he want me to do at the time, because that time he didn't want me to go through nursing. He tell me, Michelle, even if database gonna take you, even I'm gonna help you to make you go. He was working at home. He was working at home.
Okay. Beautiful.
At Basna, you know Bas Naval. He was working at Bas Naval.
Okay. Beautiful. Okay. So now that you know, now we went over alias, right? All right. So now.
So they call alias.
Yeah,
but I hope those type of alias, they cannot ask us anything about alias at the interview.
They can't have what?
I say we cannot have a question that what is about alias.
No.
Okay.
See, one thing you have to understand is this: at the job, they expect you to know SQL. They're not going to ask you, okay, show me how to do this. No, they're not going to ask you all that.
No, I'm just say that at the interview now, say that they cannot ask you that, oh, what is the alias? Can you tell us something about the alias? They cannot ask us.
No. Alias is just, it's not necessary.
Okay.
Sometimes, okay, for instance, let's say you have a column name that is, okay, let me give you a good example. Okay, so let's say you're going to do a report and you're going to present it to a bunch of people, right?
Okay.
Or let's say like a presentation. You're going to print it out and present it to a bunch of people. Now, let's say the sheet of paper is this, right? But then let's say they need to see, let's say, 10 different columns. One column name is education. Another one name is mathematics. Another one is arithmetic. Another one is geography. Another one's name is philosophy. Another one's column's name is let's say agriculture, right? These are long words, right? That may not fit the length of the paper. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like you have philosophy here, agriculture here, arithmetic here, trigonometry here, this here, it won't fit. You understand what I'm saying? One piece of paper. So one thing that you could do is just create an alias. So for instance, it would be something like this: select let's say it's arithmetic. Then you do double quotes, let's say A. Right? Then biology, B. Then let's say chemistry, C. Then let's say dentistry, D.
Okay.
from HR.employees, right? So
Yeah.
now when it prints, all they will see is A, B, C, D. It will fit the paper.
Okay. It's gonna meet it in. It's gonna put it in the descent order anyway.
Yes, it will fit. It will fit the paper now. But before, if you try to do all this, maybe dentistry will be cut off.
Yes, that's true. That's true. I understand.
That's what I'm saying. So now you
understand.
use that area. So they say, oh, okay, this is arithmetic, biology, chemistry, dentistry. Then they have all the information there. Make sense?
Okay. So area is something like to save place. Give you a chance to put all the information in place.
Exactly. It's just a way to logically to see it visually. Make sense?
No, it makes sense. It makes sense.
All right. So that's that. Now, let's go here. Now, let us talk about some others. Okay. If I want to see the highest salary, for everybody, right? I want to see the highest salary, right? In when you were in school, highest means what? Max, right?
Yeah, it's the max.
Right? Lowest means what? Mean. Right? The total means what? Sum.
The sum.
And then the aggregate is what? Average. Remember? Right? Okay. So average just means you take all the total salary, you add all the salaries all together, and you divide it by the number of people in the company. That's the average salary. Makes sense? So one person may make 1 million, one person may make 10,000. You add them both together, right? That's 1.1 million divided by 2. So the average salary is what? 550,000, something like that, right? Okay. So now, how would I see that, right? We use what we call the group by functions, right? So we use select max salary, min salary, sum salary, average salary from HR.employees. Type it. Yes, well. Did you type it?
I'm typing, Professor.
Let me know. You typed it?
Hold on, let me. I'm getting them. Yes, I typed it already. Let me send you.
Yeah, type it. Show me.
Yeah, I'll.
Show me that you typed it.
Yeah, I already sent it to you.
Sent it? Okay, let me see. Okay, now see. You see, this one, it seemed, you see, when you printed it out, right? It was too long. Max salary, min salary, average salary, right? It was too long. So now let's add an alias to this. Let's add an alias to this so that it makes things more professional. So what am I going to do? I'm going to do select max salary, then I'm going to do what? Double quotes max.
Okay.
Right? Then salary. Then I'm going to do what? Lowest. Then average salary. I'm going to do I'll put most from HR employees. So that it makes a little bit more sense.
So it means that now, by the time you add the max, you put.
I'm actually going to make this one. I'm going to call this one highest.
Okay.
Right? So now I'm going to say highest, lowest, most.
Okay, so it means that now the comma place change. The comma place come to the lowest now.
Yes,
Instead to
there
come to
you
the
go.
line to the salary.
Absolutely. See, you did a column, max salary, this is a column, right? Alias. After the alias and the double quotes, then you put the comma. You are finished with that column. You do the column, you do the alias, after you put the double quotes, and you're finished with that, comma. You know what I'm saying? So the comma comes after each column is complete. And alias. Yes. Type it.
Solange, laisse-moi juste faire avec toi.
You type it?
I'm typing in, Professor. Hold on.
Okay.
I tap it. Let me send you a quick picture. I send you a picture, Professor.
Beautiful. Yes, I see it. Beautiful. Good job. Good job. Right? All right.
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Good job. Okay. So that's max, min, and average, right? We also have sum as well, right? That I showed you. But we'll get to that later. But now let's look at round. Let's look at the round function, right? Round. So for instance, I want to see the average salary, right? So I do select average salary from each other employees, right? That will give that, and tell me what that number is. I think it's 6501 or something like that. Or 14 or something.
You want to see what?
I want to see the average salary. So select average salary from HR employees. Let average salary from HR employees. Type it.
I already sent you the picture. Hello?
Oh, you sent it?
Yes, I sent it for you long time, Professor.
Oh, let me see. Okay, so it's 64. Okay, hey. 6461.83. Okay, so it's 6461.83.
It's from
What's the number? 83 what?
178.
178, right? So you see that this number, right, has decimal places, right?
Yeah, decimal place.
So there's a way that I can round it to the highest number, round it to the highest tenth, and so on and so forth, right? So right? I have to use the round. Use the round, right? So I do a select, round, average. So round, open bracket, so round, open parentheses, average, open parentheses, salary, comma, 0, close the parentheses, from HR employees. Type that. And let me know what you get.
Wrong average salary from IS. Okay. So okay.
Yes.
You said that you want to run it from 0.
So select round, average salary, comma, 0. So round, parentheses, average, parentheses, salary, comma, 0, parentheses, from HR employees. See this parentheses has to be closed. So
so the last one has to be 2 parentheses, no 1.
You said what?
The last one is 2. Is 2 parentheses, right?
Yes.
Because I see you put
yes.
But the first one was 1. The second one is 2.
Yes, because each one, if you open up 2 parentheses, you have to close 2 parentheses. Yes. Type it.
I'm going to show you the picture before
Okay.
the answer. I don't know what I'm missing there. So that because the first one tell me that invalid. I don't know why, but let me see. Send you just second picture to see before. I tap enter. Because I think I put the parenthesis normally, but for what reason? It's not giving me the right clue.
Try like this. Okay, so.
Yeah, it means that because I tap exactly the way you show me, but it gave me error. That's why I'm sending.
Comma 0. Then do it.
That's the way we used to do it. I was like, what's going on?
I do like that.
So you do like said you give me an error, Professor.
I do like that.
Already there, I don't even want to have mistake.
That's the type of my end.
You help me again to get mistake.
Right.
I was like, what's going on?
Yeah, so round average salary, right? Yeah, comma 0. Yes.
Yeah. I was like, est-ce qu'il ne va pas? Parce que c'est pas comme ça comme tu nous as appris dans les vidéos. C'est que papa, je suis là encore. Il va donner. C'est l'erreur avec salarié 0. On met ça dans point, ça va donner. Yeah, it's good now. So, let me send you. It's good now. Hey. Having a say this month. Yeah, I send you a short picture for that. I send you a short picture for that, Professor.
You do it?
Yes, I already sent you a picture for that.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so you see what it did, right? It rounded it up to the nearest whole number. Right? So what? So it gave you 6462, right? Now, why did they round it up to the lowest? Sorry, why? Because after this decimal, right, is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So we want to round it to the nearest whole number, which is 6462. If this number came out to 6461.4, it's rounded up to what? It's rounded down to 6461. Why? Because 4 is less than what? 5. You understand what I'm saying? So now, okay, what? Let's do it to the nearest. Okay, this is a good example. Let's round this. This is the number, the average. So let's round this to the nearest what? Let's say nearest 10th.
Okay, nearest 10, we're gonna put 1 for the place for 0.
Exactly, we're gonna put 1, right? So
okay,
now, when you do 1, what's gonna happen, right? This number is gonna be what? 6461.8. Why? Huh? Why? Why 8? Tell me why 8? Tell me.
Because we run for the nearest 10, right?
Because yes, it's the nearest 10. But why did you do 8? Why did they leave it at 8? The reason why I left it at 8 because it is always going to look at the next number after. Because this number is 3. 3 is less than 5, so it's going to leave it at 8. Had this 3 been 5, it would have rounded it up to 9. If I say, okay, let's round this up to the nearest 100, right? The number will be 6461.83. Why? Because looking at this number. This number is less than 5, so we will leave it 8.3. Okay, let me run it for the nearest 1 and nearest 10 and yes. Yeah, run it for 1 and see what the number is going to be. Show me. Okay. Beautiful.
You know what, Professor?
You said-
Professor, I will send you a 2 picture.
Okay.
For the one that I tapped, they said there was a mistake. And then this one that I tap again, and then it went through, and then the 2 picture is same thing. I don't know why. So
Just send me the picture.
I'm not seeing the mistake. So
Send me the picture so that I can see.
Yeah. So the first one, no. Et j'ai bien tapé toujours comme ça. Qu'est-ce qui était là-bas comme erreur? Et je ne reconnais pas mes erreurs là-bas. Quand j'ai tapé select, ah, je vois. Je n'ai pas mis rond. Je n'ai pas mis rond. Je n'ai pas mis rond. Okay. Okay, I see my first mistake because at first I didn't put wrong. I was like, I thought this thing same thing works good now.
Let me see. Hold on.
Yeah, c'était, j'ai vu.
Yeah, you got it right. You started right the second time.
No, but the first time I was like, I tapped it for same place, but there was a one missing information. There was one missing information which was wrong. So I took my time to go through again. The first one was the missing information, like wrong.
No. The first time you didn't put round there.
That's what I say. I didn't put wrong.
Yeah,
that
you
was
didn't put round there. Yeah, you didn't put round.
Yeah, that's what the missing.
Yeah, that's why you got the error. But now you got it right. So what I'm saying is, if you make this 2, okay, you know what? Make this 3.
Okay, I'll make it 2. 2 is the nearest 20.
No, not 2. Make it 3, right? Make it 3. The reason why I say make it 3 is because I want you to see. You see, it's 0.8317, right? When you round it up to 3, what I want you to see is this. I want you to see that this number will change to 0.832. But type it first. Type it first so that you can see. Type it first.
Anyway, let me. You have reason to say that it's good for us to make a lot of copy. Yeah, because
yes,
if you don't make a copy,
yes,
you don't copy information. It's just gonna be tapping.
That's correct.
Yeah, I make it 3. But so The 3 is the nearest one because we make it for the nearest.
Yes. So whatever you're trying to round it to, Oracle will look at the next number. Right? If Oracle will look at the next. So if I'm rounding up to the next 10, Oracle will look at this number after and say, okay, is it over or above 5? If it's below 5, it will leave it. If it's above 5, it will round it up. So if we say, okay, I want this 3 represents, okay, I want to see 3 digits after the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. Show me that. Right? But because this is a round, it's going to look at that first number and say, okay, is that number over or below 5? If it's above 5, it will round that third and last digit up 1. That's it. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful. Right? Then we have what we call trunk.
So now, hold on, Professor. I know that we run it for the nearest 100. We run it to the nearest 10. And then the 3 is the nearest what?
To the nearest 1,000.
The 3?
Yes, nearest 1,000. You see, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So this is nearest 10.
The first one, we run it to the nearest 100.
10.
Nearest 10.
Yes. This one is, if I want to see 2 digits, then nearest 100. See.
Yeah.
Number 10, see. Look, see. Remember, 10 is 1, 0. So that 1 goes over the decimal, and the 0 is for the digits. Nearest 100 is 1, 0, 0. 1, 0,
yes.
Right? Nearest 1,000 is 1, that's for the decimal point, and 0, 0, 0.
Okay, 0. Yes.
So yeah, so those zeros represent the amount of digits after the decimal point that you want to see. Yeah, so that's how that works. Okay. Yes, beautiful. All right, so you're good there? You understand it?
Yeah, I understand. Good. I understand. So most of the time you're gonna be run the salary to the nearest 10, nearest 100.
Most of the time it's nearest whole number.
Nearest whole number.
Yes, most of the time it's nearest whole number.
For 0, right?
Yes, 0. Yes, that's correct.
Because I know the whole number is a 0.
Yeah, whole number is 0. Yes. So now let's do trunk. Trunk is very easy. Trunk doesn't care about anything. Trunk will just cut a number off really quickly. Right? Trunk is just, see, look at it. If I say trunk, if I say trunk 0, right? It doesn't care about anything. It will just cut everything off. It will just give you the whole numbers. If I say trunk 1, it doesn't care about anything after. It's just going to give you that first digit. If I say trunk 2, it doesn't care about around it. No. It's just going to give you the numbers exactly, period. It will cut everything off. It doesn't matter. Okay,
so the trunk don't have it, yeah.
It doesn't do anything. It just gives you the digits. That's it. Cuts everything off.
Okay, so we're gonna select now.
So for instance, if I do trunk salary 2, it's just going to cut this number off. It doesn't look at anything. Just 0.83. That's it.
Okay.
But round will still be trying to round things up. No. Trunk will just cut it off. This whole number, how many did you say you want? 0.83. That's all. Move on. You just move on. Type it.
So you want me to select trunk average salary?
Trunk average salary, 2 from HR employees. Type it.
Yeah, it's give me the whole numbers. Let me just send you a short picture. I send you a picture, Professor.
You sent it?
Yeah, take a look.
Let's see. Beautiful. You see, he just cut it off, right? It doesn't round anything up at all. It just does it. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it just cut it off.
Trunk is nice and clean. It doesn't waste time, right?
So what you advise people to do? To use strong or to use wrong?
It's up to
Which
you
one
which
is-
one you want to do.
which one is best?
Most people use round, but it all depends on what you want to do. It really just depends on what you want to do.
But I'm gonna test something to see what Trump gonna do. But
yeah, it all depends on what you want to see, and it all depends on the It all depends. I can't say that you can use this or that or whatever. It just depends on what you want to see and how you want to see it. Make sense?
it makes sense. Let me ask you, can we use strong also for the nearest whole number to see what gonna give us?
You just put 0.
Yeah, that's why I already put 0. So I'm trying to.
Yeah, type it. Do Trump average salary, comma 0, and see what you see. Type it.
Yeah, it's nice, it's neat and clean. So with the 0, it give you exactly. Yeah, it's wrong also. So let me with the nearest whole number is neat and clean also. It's true. Oh, with the home, yeah, it's give you okay. So strong and wrong have some differences. You know, there's some small differences on it. That's true. I sent you the picture, Professor.
You sent it to me? Beautiful. Right? So you see it, right? Beautiful. Okay. So now you understand, right?
Yeah, I understand. I'm trying to do the one for 3 now to see what 3 gonna give me.
You talk about for trunk?
Yes.
Okay.
I should even just copy. One line. Poi entrate sempre. Okay, I send you a picture.
Okay, did it work?
Yeah, yeah, it's work.
Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so now let's look at something else. Let's look at substring. We're going to look at substring, right? Okay. So when I do select sub str, then let's say last name, comma, 1, comma, let's say 5. Right?
Selling what?
From each other employees. Now, what is substring? What is a substring, right? A substring takes a string, right? Last name, a string. A string is just a bunch of letters or a bunch of words, right? And gets a piece of it, substring. So for instance, let's say somebody's last name is what? Anderson. Let's say somebody's name is Anderson. Let's say somebody's name is Anderson, right? Okay, that is the string, last name, Anderson, right? But now I want to get just a part of it. I don't want to see the whole word Anderson. I just want a piece of it, right? So I say, okay, what piece of it do I want? I say 1,5. So I say this 1,5 means I want the first 5 letters of all last names, including Anderson. That's all. 1,5. So I could have done 1,4, I could have done 1,7, doesn't matter, right? Right? If I just did, so that 1,5 just simply means what? We're going to start, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? You see that, right? You see the board?
Hold on.
Can you see it?
Yeah, you see, I see it a little bit, yeah.
You see everything, right?
Yeah, I see, but no, it's not too clear. It's not bigger, it's just like a little bit.
Oh, 1 second.
Yeah, it's not too, the view is lowest.
Give me 1 second.
Yeah. Okay, now I seen it. I was like, every time, yes, Professor, just the way you have we do like that is better.
It's perfect.
Because yeah, it's perfect now. Because
Perfect.
all we've been doing, I was not seeing very well. I just,
Okay, beautiful. So it's perfect now. Okay, beautiful. So now when you see Anderson, right? You see Anderson here, right? So what that basically means is I want the first 5. So that 1 means, okay, what is my starting point of everybody's last name? Start at the first letter 1 and count to the right 5. That's it. See, Anderson is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters, right? So we have, let's say, Smith. Let's say Smitherson, right? Okay. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? What I'm saying is, out of everybody's last name, don't show me everything. Just show me the first 5. Just give me the first 5 digits. Why is it the first 5? Because I'm starting at 1. See, 1, and then I count to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Anderson will appear as Ander. Smitherson will be what? We'll start at 1, S, Smith, and then to the right, 5, right? So SIMTH. This will be Smith. You know what I'm saying? This is substring. We just want a part of the last name. Maybe it won't fit all the pages. So we have to cut it back, shrink it down a little bit. Does that make sense? For instance, if I just wanted everybody's initial letter. So last name, I'll just do what? Last name, 1, 1. Right? So that will just give me, okay, we will start at 1 and we'll end at 1. If I wanted to see the first 2 letters, I say, okay, 1, 2. We start at 1, count 2. Then count to the right, 1, 2. You see what I'm saying? 1,
Mm-hmm.
and then 1, 2. So then that will give me SM and AN. Right? So what I want you to do is type this one, something last name 1,5 from HR employees. Type it so that you can see it.
I just tap it, but I just want to make sure that.
Type it.
Yeah, I tap it even already. I just want to make sure that what I tap is the right thing. Select. Nice on the screen. Yeah, just tap it.
You type it?
Hold on. I tapped long time, but I wanted to make sure that I did the right thing. Yeah, I tapped it already. Hold on, I will give you. So now it's give me. Voila. Okay, it's give me only the five for the
Exactly.
last one. Yeah.
Exactly.
Let
It's
me.
doing exactly what we wanted to do. Exactly.
So,
we said we wanted the first 5 digits, and that's what they gave us. The first 5 digits. You understand what I'm saying? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Right here. Any questions?
Hold on, Professor. I'm trying to.
You've typed it though, right?
Yeah, I send you a picture. Check it.
Okay, beautiful. Okay, so that's something. I just wanted to explain that to you, right? Have I ever used something at work? Not really, but just
So it means that sometimes you can decide that you want to see.
Yeah, it's up to you.
Yeah, it's up to you.
It's up to you.
It depends on how you want to set the place. You don't want maybe,
Yeah, it's up to you. It's just up to you. I'm just showing you how to do it. Yes.
So now, if you say you want to see 5, what about if you say you want to just see C2?
Want to see what?
You want to see the soft 3, just two names, 2 for the last name. You know the
what?
If you say that you want to see the soft 3, just for example, hold on, you just want to see the 2 last name, the 2 last name.
What do you mean the 2 last name? What do you mean the 2 last name?
I'm gonna do something to see what it's gonna give me.
What do you mean the 2 last name?
Because for example, you say that if you want to see the soft 3 just for the 5 digits for the last name.
Yes.
So now what about if you want to see just the 5 digits for the 2 name? It means that you're gonna put 2 over there, right? That's what I'm saying.
What do you mean instead of name? What 2 name are you talking about?
Okay, hold on. I will show you some. I will do something here. Maybe
Mr. Hall, I see you.
So I'm saying that what about if you say that you want to do, for example, this one is 1,5. What about 1,2 or 1,3?
Okay, if you do 1,2, then it's just going to give you the first 2 letters. That's all.
Voila, because I know the initial. That's why I want to say that why you want to see just the initial for people. You will just put the 1, 2, right?
Correct. Correct. You got it.
That's what I wanted to say.
Very good, very good, very good. All right, let's move on. All right, let's move on. Now let's get to some more fun stuff. All right. So far, okay. So far, I've been showing you everything, right? Select star from HR employees, this and that, blah, blah. It gives you 107 rules and so on and so forth, right? Very good. That's what it does. Now, let us start limiting what we want to see. Let's start limiting what we want to see. So first thing I want you to do now is this. Describe your HR employees. Do that. Okay. Describe your HR employees.
Okay.
Let's see all the columns that we have.
Mm-hmm.
Did you describe it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now, this time I want to see the last name of everyone. I want to see the last name and salary of everyone that make more than $5,000. Now we are talking about including the what? The where clause.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're talking about the where clause. The where clause. So to do that, typically what? Select what? Last name, comma what? Salary, from what?
From HR the employee.
So the way it works is the where comes after what? The from, always.
After, yeah.
After the from, then comes the where, right? Select from where, select from where, select from where. That's how it works. Select from where. Select last name, comma salary from each employees. Where I said people make more than what? 5,000. Where what? Salary. What? I said more than 5,000. So we have to use what? The greater than sign. Greater than what? 5,000. That's all. Very simple. Always ending with a semicolon. Type it.
Select last name with the salary from HR the employee. Where salary more than 5,000. Yes, I type it. Let me.
How many rows did you get?
I have 2 rows. I have last name and the salary.
No. I mean, if you look all the way to the bottom, what's how many people?
How many people?
Yes.
All the way for the bottom. Okay. It's a 58 row selector.
58?
Yeah.
Very good.
I have 58 row selector.
Very good. So if I wanted to see people that make less, obviously, you know the sign is what? The other way, less than, right?
Yeah, it's less.
If I want to see people that make 5,000 exactly, it's what? Equal to, right?
Mm-hmm.
If I want to see people that
Hold on. You said that to see the people that make what?
5,000 is equal, right?
Okay, so the last name, salary.
If I want to see people that do not make 5,000, they don't anything but 5,000. I do what? Less than equal to sign, just like that. Less than equal to sign.
Okay, so you want me to make the one that for the people that they make less?
Do it for all 4 and send me the picture.
Okay, let me send you the first picture because
All
sometimes
4. No, do it first and send a picture of all of them.
sometimes when you do it, you may not have all the salary come out, it may go away. So that's why I send too much. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Sometimes, yeah, when you do it, it go up. You may not see the information, but it's there. So let's the salary from each other employee. What salary? Less.
Francis financial wealth right now is $500 billion a year. 500. That's a lot. And is it true that the deals are such that an African nation? The true most Francis financial wealth right now is $500 billion a year. 500. That's a lot. And is it true that the deals are such that an African nation that has
That's nice.
did not business around the world
Oh, that's
first round of approvals, and they can still tell them no. They don't hold.
When I select equal 5,000, no select to professor. I think I will change to put 7,000.
Keep trying.
No, I'm saying that when I put for 5,000 to equal 5,000, no row select for that one. Maybe no people that I don't know make 5,000. So let me put for 7,000 to see. Yeah, when I do the one for 5,000, they say no row select. So
Say
I'll
it
do
again.
7,000. Oh, anyway, let me send you a short picture.
No,
I'm
just
saying,
like each one. Just listen.
I'm saying that when I do the select to see the people that make 5,000, they say
Yes.
no row select. It look like nobody.
Oh,
is
it's
making
okay. It's
5,000.
possible that nobody earns 5,000. That's fine.
Yes, that's what I say. I will put the one now maybe for nobody is having 5,000. That's what I was trying to say.
Yes.
No.
So did you do the last one? Less than equal to?
I'm trying to do the last one now. Let me just
Okay.
copy. I'm not going to tap in. Okay, I do all of them.
Done it. Okay, beautiful.
I already sent you the picture. You can see it.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So now let's look at some more way.
You said that the last one.
Let's look at some more things.
Hold on.
Listen. Let's look at some more things. Right? So I want to see the salary of everyone that makes more than 5,000. Right? Now let's add something else as well. And they are not in Department 20. So now we're adding yet another layer to this. So now, I want to see the last name of salary of everyone that makes more than 5,000, and they are not in Department 20. So what I do, where salary greater than 5,000, that's fine. And the department ID, they are not in Department 20. So I do what? Less than, greater than sign, what? 20. Then I do semicolon.
Yeah, I
After
have a question. This is a
after
greater, right?
select, after select is a column. After where must be column name. After and must be column name. After all must be column name. That's how it works. Now ask your question.
So I have a question. So this one, this sign, I know this sign is the people that they make more than 5,000. What about this one?
What do
This
you mean?
last sign, this one.
So this one is show me all people that make more than 5,000 and also they do not reside in department 20.
Ah, okay, okay.
So now I'm asking for two things. So for instance, it's like saying I want a job that's going to pay me more than 5,000 that is not in
Department 20.
in Maryland or something like that.
Okay. Okay.
I want a job that's going to pay me 5,000 that is not in Maryland. You see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So something like
Okay.
that. Yes.
Okay.
So type it.
Okay.
Yes. Good, good, good.
Pruebas en son salary commitment from me. Where salary? No. No, I'm trying to say. Ah, ese es el que come de nada. No, salary, I'm salary. Salary. Okay. No, no, independent consent. No, papá, se me dio un Qu'est-ce que j'ai comme mot ici? Comment est-ce que je n'ai pas... On n'a pas copié les autres.
Did you type it?
I type it, Professor, but let me see where I make mistake for this one. It look like the this sign. Ah, I see. You said that okay. What is this? What is this? You said that and what is this?
What is what?
The last one, the last wall. What is this? Japan. Ah, I didn't put Japan on. That's one. Okay, I tap it though.
You
At
tap
first I
it?
didn't. Mm-hmm.
Okay, how many people showed up?
How many people? The row is 55 row.
You said how many?
55.
55, 55, right?
Yes, 55.
Beautiful, beautiful. All right. Okay, let's do another one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now let's add all. Okay, I want to see all the people that make more than 5,000 or their department ID is equal to 30. Give me either, I don't care. Either or. See, what I'm asking for in this case is this. Show me all the people that make either 5,000
Mm-hmm.
or they are in department 30. Either way, I'm happy.
Okay.
It's like me saying, I want a car or a bicycle. If you give me either one, I'm happy.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see the board?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I see it.
Beautiful, right?
Okay.
So I want either salary, anybody that makes 5,000, or department is 30. So now back, add this one. Select last name, comma salary, comma department underscore ID. Do that. So now I want you to see that it will also give you the only department 30. It won't give you anything else. It either give you people that make greater than 5,000 or people in department ID 30. Now, instead of ending it there, let's order it by the salary. So I'm going to do what? Order by what? Order by what? What should I put? I want to order by salary to what? Order by what?
Order by, you want to order, you
By
can
salary.
order by, yeah, you want to do for the second row, you can order by salary.
Or what?
Or by last name.
No, I want to order
Or by two. You can order by salary or by one or by two. It depends.
By two. See that? You see what I did there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Order by two. Remember we did this last class. This salary is the second column here, right? So order by what? This second column, 2. So I don't have to type the whole salary. It's just a trick. So type this whole thing. Type it. Type it faster.
Select last name, salary from each other, and salary, more factors, and all department underscore IT equal 30. Order by two. Okay. I tap it already. So let me send click something. I already sent you a picture, Professor.
Of this, what you just did?
Mm-hmm. You say that I already sent you a picture.
No, you didn't send me a picture of this one. Type it faster.
I'll send you already all the picture. I send you all the picture, Professor. You know the picture.
Okay, 1 second.
Hold on, I'm sending you.
No, I didn't see this one.
No, hold on.
This one, you didn't do this one yet.
I do it. I do it already. I'm sending you the picture now.
Tap it.
I send you a picture.
Beautiful. No, but you didn't add the 3 columns. Don't be lazy. You just did select salary. No, I want to see last name, salary, department ID.
Ah, you want me to put all the something? Okay.
Type it the way I put it.
You know, I'm not seeing it. Oh, even this one, I'm not seeing it. It's gold, but anyway, I will.
You see what?
I don't see it. You didn't put I don't see the one that you just tapped, but I will tap it the way you say. You say I add all the I
Wait,
put
you can see the board, right? You can see everything on the board, right?
I'm not see the department ID on it.
You can, of course, you can see department ID. You can see last name, salary, right?
Yeah, I see last name, salary. So you want me to add department ID?
Yes.
Before I do all department ID is not entered. So you want me to add 3 columns. Select
Yes.
last name,
Yes.
salary,
Yes.
department ID from HR than employee. Where salary more than 5,000. Or department ID no equal 30, right? Other by 2. That's why you want me to tap. Professor.
You said what?
Let me tap the one that
Just put just type it the way it is. Simple.
I'm not even see though. Let me tap and show you what I'm understanding. That's not salary.
You can't see the board?
I'm not seeing it now. It's gone.
What do you mean you can't see it?
Then hold on, I'll tap it. I know what you're talking about, but I didn't see it.
You can see the board, right?
Mm-mm.
Well, maybe it's your phone. You've been seeing it before, right?
At first I was seeing it.
So what's the issue now? Maybe it's your computer. Because when I did it just now, you said it was perfect.
Select last name. Yes, it was okay. Select last name.
So maybe it's your computer.
From HR and employee. Where's salary? Let me just tap it and send it to you. I know what you're talking about.
Mr. Hall, can you see it? Maybe Mr. Hall is at work. He's just logged in. Tap it.
All department IT equal to.
Tap it faster.
Okay, I'll send you a quick picture. It gives us how many rows? 63 rows. So let me just send you a picture for the businesses.
Did you type it?
Yes, I'm sending you the picture now. It's over there. I send you a picture.
Very good. Very good. Right? Very good. Now notice, right? Notice, not all the departments it gave you were 30. Why? Because, see, we said either or, give me. Either or, give me. So I want to see salaries that are more than 5,000 or department IDs that are equal to 30. Either or, give me. So if it gives me people whose salary is greater than 5,000, but if their department ID is not 30, it will still show me because that is still what? Okay. So it's like, okay, give me a car or a bicycle. So if they give me all bicycle, that's fine. If they give me all cars, that's fine. Right? It's either or, not both. If I wanted to see both, then I will add what? I'll replace all with what? And. Now you must give me people who make more than 5,000 and they are in department 30. Totally different things. Do you get it?
Yeah, you said that the people that make more than 5,000
And they are in
they are
department 30. Now that's totally different. Now those two things they must meet.
They must be in department 30.
Yes, absolutely. But if I say all, then not really. They don't have to be in department 30 because I'm saying either give me people's salary with 5,000 or give me people in department 30. Either or is fine with me. If I don't see anybody, if I don't see anybody that makes more than 5,000, that's fine. If I don't see anybody that is in department 30, that's fine because I said either or. Give me one of them. You understand what I'm saying? So a lot of the time, what Oracle will do, if you say or, it will just stop here. A lot of the time, it will just stop here. Where salary greater than what? 5,000, it will just stop there because it's either or. Either or. Because they're not doing either or. Give me a woman that has short hair. Give me a woman that has long hair. Right? Either or, I'm fine. You understand what I'm saying? You're not. But if I say, okay, give me a car that is black, that means I must first get a car, and that car must be black. You see what I'm saying? So those two things must be met. So that's the difference between what? And what? Or. Does that make sense?
It makes sense.
Beautiful.
So let me ask you something. I have a question, please. When it's come to select statement, as a senior GDA, you're gonna do a lot of select statement.
It depends on the job. Most of the time, no, but it depends on the job.
Okay. So it's just that you have to know. You never know.
You have to know, yes.
Okay. Yes.
All right. So now let's talk about something else. In. Let's talk about in.
Okay.
Let's talk about in. Right? Let's talk about in. Okay. In I like in a lot because it makes things a lot. You don't have to type that much when you use in, and you can accomplish the same thing. So for instance, if I say I want to see all the people where salary is equal to 10,000 or salary is equal to 4,000 or salary is equal to 7,500, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot of typing.
Ah, okay.
That's a lot of typing. Where salary equals 10,000 or salary equals 4,000 or salary equals 7,500. That's a lot of typing, right? I mean, it is, right? Okay. I could just use the keyword in instead. So instead of where salary equals 10,000 or salary equals 4,000 or salary equals what? 7,500, I just use the keyword in. So now I just do it. Where salary in 10,000, 4,000, 7,500. That's it. Solve all my problems. Same thing. So when you have multiple ORs that you want to put inside of a select statement, replace it with in. And it will make your typing a lot easier. Type it. Type it. Type it.
Yes. I'm tapping it, Professor. You say where salary in how much is that?
10,000, 4,000, 7,500.
5,000, 4,000, 7,500.
Yes.
I'm telling you, le Bible là ne se voit pas, on ne voit même pas les chiffres là. C'est fait n'importe.
Type it faster.
I already typed it. I just want to see the amounts for the whole
Type it,
thing.
send it.
Oh, it's 5,000. Okay, see that. Même jusqu'à là, je ne vois pas moi. Je ne vois pas. Oui, il a dit que 4,000. The first one is 4,000.
Yes.
4,000, 5,000, and 75,000. That's it, right?
Yes.
Okay. 7,500. Okay. Last name, salary from each of them. Where salary in 4,000, 5,000, 75,000. Pourquoi ça n'a pas?
Type it.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming, Professor. I already tapped it. Yeah, it's coming. It's
You
coming.
take a picture?
I will send you the picture. Hold on a little bit for me, please. Ma, hey, where'd you go from? Qu'est-ce qui ne va pas? Il y a quelque chose qui ne va pas. Ati. Que je ne comprends pas. Hein. Ati.
Garbage.
What's that? Ah. Okay. The last name. From each other and for me. This kind of rapper. Hold on, I will tap it and send you a picture before. That's on the phone. If you can. Salary. Oh. Ah, okay. Just very never. You know that.
You send me the picture?
Hold on, Professor. Hold on, please. I make my own big mistake here. Select last name, salary from each other, for your waste salary. I send you a picture. I send you a picture.
You sent me the picture, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Beautiful. Right? Good job.
Thank you, Professor.
All right?
Hi. Let me ask you something.
Yes.
When you are at job, right? For example, sometimes when I tap for my computer here, sometimes you can make a mistake and then you find your mistake and then you correct it. At a job, you're gonna be in your computer by yourself. Nobody gonna be control you.
Yes, they'll give you a laptop just like you have now.
Ah, okay. So you are home, you do your thing, you see
Yes.
your mistake, you correct it, and you fix it. Okay, great. That's the good part of it. Thank you. Because sometimes you can make some stupid mistake, you know. Yeah.
All right. So now the opposite of in is not in. So what if I tell you know what? I want to see the last name, salary, and department ID of everyone whose salary is not 10,000, 4,000, 7,000. So instead of in, I do what? Where salary not in any of these, and you give me everybody else's salary.
Okay.
Type it. If you give me everybody else's salary except 10,000, 4,000, 7,500, everybody else need to give me.
Mm-hmm.
Type it.
Okay. You say where's salary no in 4,000? Same thing. Okay. The last year salary Japan IG from each other employee. Where salary no in 44,000, 5,000, 75,000. Mm-hmm.
Type it.
I already tap it. I'm sending you the picture.
Let me know when you send it.
Okay, I'll send you a picture. Because this time I add Japan IG.
I didn't see it.
You didn't see it?
Send it again.
Okay, hold on.
Did you send
Okay,
it?
check it. Yes.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Good work. Good work. Let me see.
Okay.
Very good. Let me see. Hold on. No, wait. Hold on. No, I didn't get it.
Ah.
I didn't get it.
Hmm.
I said you should do this one. Where salary not in 10,000, 4,000.
That's what I do.
I didn't see it.
Yeah, I put the no in. Hold on. What happened? Let me
Oh, I
see.
didn't see anything.
Let me send it again. Yay. Come on, in about
I keep the salary all and so on and so forth. That's not what I said.
Ah, okay. Let me maybe it's the down one. Hold on. I will make it go a little bit off so that I will take down particular one, just down one. Pourquoi j'envoie une. Pourquoi les autres, c'est là, mais moi, je ne sais pas. Okay, I send it to you.
Give me 1 second, I'm looking for it. Beautiful,
Mm-hmm.
beautiful, good job, good job, good job.
Thank you. This one is very short term. You can also do order by two for this one, right?
Yeah,
No.
you can do order by. Order by always goes at the end.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can.
Always the very, very last thing.
Yeah, you can just
Select, so go select from where and then and or whatever and then order by. See what I'm saying? Meaning order by will always go last,
Yeah.
right? So
Mhm.
select and from, these are mandatory, you gotta have it. Every other thing is not really necessary. It just depends on what you want to see. But select and from, you must have that. Where is not even mandatory, and is not mandatory, or is not mandatory, in is not mandatory, right? All these things are mandatory. You understand what I'm saying?
Mhm.
Beautiful. All right. So now let's look at another one.
So, but when you even do order by two, it still give you the same change.
Yes, it's still
It's not giving
it's not
no change.
Yes.
It's the same.
Yes. All right. Let's look at dates. Right.
Mhm.
Now I want to see the last name and the higher date. Higher underscore dates. So when you describe your HR employees table, right, you see the column higher date. It's okay. So I want to see the higher dates, right, of everyone that were hired between January 1st, 2000 and January 1st, 2001. Right? So I want all those people that were hired between those two dates, January 1st, 2000, January 1st, 2001. So how would I do that? Very simple. Where? So select last name from a hire date from HR employees. Where what? Remember, after where must come a column. Where hired underscore date between right? Open parentheses. So open parentheses. Between quotes 01 JAN in caps dash 00 and 01 JAN dash 01. Close it. Close the quote, semicolon. That's it. Between these dates. That's it. Give me all the people that were hired between these dates. Type it. And make sure that your January is in capital letters because that's how it is in the database. Type it. Did you type it?
No, yet. Hold on. I'll type it, but to let you know that I don't even see at all. But
no problem.
Okay. Select last name, hire date from HR employee. Select last name, where hire date between January. Okay. Et je compte pas capital erreur. 01. January what? 07 or what?
No, 01 dash JAN dash 00.
That's 0. Wow. That's 00. What type of year is like that?
That's 2000.
Ah, that 2000.
Yes,
Okay.
00. Type it.
Hold on. 2000. So I don't have to put 2000. I don't put 00.
No,
Professor. It's
you
2000.
say,
Attends.
type it.
So we don't have to put the 2000 or 02 because we have
Quote,
02.
listen, quote 01 dash Jan dash 00 and quote 01 dash Jan dash 01. Simple.
01 January 2000. 2000 may be 02. That's why I think. If you put 2000 02, it's okay, right? Because I think that's the way it's gonna be. Yeah.
Madam, just type it.
Okay, no problem. Let me just do what you do because you put 00 there. Let me just put 00 to see what it's gonna give. You never know. Let me learn. let me just learn and and 01. January 01. Okay. What page is that question again? Okay. So the last name, hire date from HR the employee, where hire date between. This between, est-ce que j'ai bien écrit between là? Between là me paraît. Je n'ai pas bien écrit between. Between. Je n'ai pas bien écrit between. Je n'ai pas bien écrit.
Type it.
The last name, hire date from HR the employee, where hire date between 01 January. Il m'a tapé ça. Ça n'est pas bien tapé. Ce n'est pas bien tapé ça. 01 January. Ce n'est pas bien tapé ça. Ok, ça.
Happy 10 minutes.
Deadline.
Happy faster.
Angela, il a encore d'avoir la photo avant de taper. Elle ne veut pas la faute, pardon. C'est voir la faute sur ça. Métier. Mhm. I want you to see if I tap good before I tap my enter. I don't want to have any mistake. Yeah, it's not too good. Professor,
Yeah.
okay, look at it.
Send me the picture.
I already sent you. The last name, higher date from HR employee, where higher date between 01 January 00 and 01 January 01. So look at it and tell me how it look like. Ne vois pas moi bien. Là, ne se voit pas bien.
You sent me the picture, right?
I sent you the picture. Look my own and see. 01 janvier 00, c'est ce que j'ai fait. 01 janvier 00 and 01 what? Okay. 01 January 01. So I sent you the picture. You see it?
Yeah. Press enter. Just press enter.
It's okay because for
No,
me.
just press enter.
But they say no row select though. Why?
Okay, then change it to make this. I don't know what the dates are. Change it to 96 and then make this 97.
Hold on. I have to play my skin. My skin is too much. Let me play the skin first. No, January 2007. And I take a 97, 96. No, 07.
What's taking so long?
I'm trying to put it together, please. And then, mm, 96. '97, hold on. 07, 08. Let me just put that. That's a check. 01, 7, and 01, January 08. Then 06. Oh, no. I'm to concern. Seven last name, higher date, committed and employee, where higher date between 01 January 07 and 01 January 08. I put for 08 or you say 06 or 07.
No. 9697.
I put 9798. But I don't know if
Whatever date you want.
yeah, it's still it's still the same thing. Okay, 9697. You are right. Hold on. Let me go back and do that one second. It's not good for me to 0706, right?
I said 9697.
Okay. 96. Il faut que je mets le truc sur tout le temps parce que là, le truc de tête, c'est là. Ça m'avait trop. Mais c'est un peu prendre. So the last name higher date from each other employee where higher date between 01 January 96 and 01 January 97. Ok. Je crois que c'est bien écrit. Yeah. C'est bien écrit. No, still no road select. Professor. Yeah. What's going on? Maybe we should put February. I don't know. Or maybe some date S. Let me do 9A to see. They still say no row select. I'm telling you the truth. No row select. So you think I should tap for which one? For we should put which day? Maybe we should change the day. No row select between January.
It's possible. It's possible that nobody fits that criteria.
So it means that can I put 02 or 02 Janvier, 02 January, or
It
what?
doesn't matter. The point I'm trying to make is this is how you do dates between.
I know, but we have to
forget
see
the date. I'm just letting you know this is how you do it.
Because I think maybe we should try to
It
see.
doesn't matter the date. I'm showing you how to do it, right?
Okay.
Now,
I put something. Let me see, Professor.
madam, you have to
This
move.
one,
Madam, we gotta move. You gotta move. Like, I'm just showing you how to do it.
okay, no problem.
So
No
now,
problem. Professor.
let us now look at. Let us look at. We're still going to use between. But now I'm going to say, I want to see everybody that I want to see the last name and the salary of everyone that makes between 7,000 and 8,000. So I do select last name, comma salary from HR employees. What's salary between what? 7,000 and 8,000. Semicolon. Right? Type that. This is another way you can use between. You typically want to use between when it comes to numbers. You use between when it comes to numbers.
So you say that for this time, I'll do we're gonna see the salary for the people that they have their salary is between 7,000 and 8,000.
Correct. So type this.
Select last name, okay. I'm not gonna even go through all the stuff. I'll just.
This one is pretty easy.
It's just last name and salary, right?
Yes.
That's it.
Yes.
First salary between 7,000 and 8,000. And that means salary for each of them for invest salary between 7,000 and 8,000. Even this one, no row select. I don't know why.
No, this one has to work. Where salary between 7,000 and 8,000. No, it must work.
Okay, hold on. Maybe I put more. Yes, it's work.
Oh, it works?
Mm-hmm.
Give me 1 second. How many people?
How
many people showed up?
14 row short us.
14 rows, right? Beautiful, right? All right, so that's between, right? So very good. So now, watch this. What if I want to, okay, do me a favor, right? Just do select hire date from HR employees. Do that. Select hire underscore date from HR employees. select hire underscore date from HR employees.
Okay, I do it.
Okay, give me one date. Just give me a random date. Show me. Just name any dates that it says.
Okay, you want me to select a date there? Yeah, this one is very easy. Yeah, it's more than that. It's better to just try before choose.
Just tell me a date that it showed you.
You said that you want me to see, you want to see the last name and the higher date for people, right?
Just
For one
the
day.
higher date. Just higher date.
Okay.
Just the higher date. That's all I want to see. Higher date. What? Give me a date.
So I just do select higher date from HR than employee. That's all. That's it.
Yes.
I already do select higher date from HR than employee,
Give
and
me
all
a
the
date.
dates.
Okay, fine. Tell me one date that it shows you.
They give me 21 June 07.
So what?
20 June 2107. Let me just put it this way. Just put it this way because June 2107.
You said
And then
JUN07, right? Beautiful. Okay, fine. So now watch this. I want to see everybody that were hired in 2007. They were hired in 2007, right? Now, the wrong way to do it was with that between something, right? So I do select last name, hire underscore date from HR.employees, where what? Hire.
Where higher date
where hire
date between.
Exactly right. Between. So I want to see everybody that hired in 2007. Between quote 01-Jan-07, right? And what? I'm just giving you this as an example. And 31 December 07. You see that, right? See, understand what I'm doing here. I want to see everybody that were hired in 2007. That's what I want to see. So 01 January 1st, 2007 and December 31st. That's everything of 2007, right? Makes sense, right? Now, watch this. This is too long. This is too long. Remember how we use in, right? With the or, and we use in to replace all those ors. There's something else that we can use to replace between, right? A shortcut is what we call like. Like. So this one is too long. Where hired date between 01 Jan 07 and 31 December. No. Instead of doing all that, let's do this. Where hire underscore date like. Watch this. I just do quote percent the year 07. Close the quote semicolon. That's all. Why? Don't type this one. Don't type where hired it between. No. I'm saying type where hired it like. See, what does this mean? Madam, can you hear me?
I'm hearing you.
What I'm saying is, I only want to see people that were hired in 2007. That's all I care about. Do you understand? I don't care about anything else. Just as long as the year it ends in 07. That's all I care about. So what do? I do what? Where hired date like put percent 07. All I care about is that it ends in 07. What it starts with, I don't care. That is the shortcut. So, so instead of using between, one thing that you can do is use where higher date is like what? Percent 07. That's it.
Okay.
So now it will only show you people whose hire date ends in 2007, because that's what I want to see.
Yeah, that one is even better.
Yes, so
because
try
when you
this.
put between is
Yeah, it's so much easier, right? So do select last name, comma, hire date from which employees, where hire date like, quote, percent, 07, close the quote, semicolon. Type it.
No, okay. No, just
Type it.
okay, I'm tapping. Not
Type it.
just easy, but makes sense also.
Very easy.
Make also sense.
Type it.
Higher date from HR. Employee where higher date like like 2000 what? 2007. The last name higher date from HR employee where higher date like you say what's 7? So yeah, I already typed it though. This one makes sense even. Trust me. I will practice all that one, but this one makes sense. Switch from there. Then you trick there. Yeah, ça t'amène directement. Si c'est 2005, c'est ça. Ah, ok, bon. Le train, c'est, tu n'es même pas chaud. Tout ça me prend le temps même pour taper.
Did you type it?
Yes, Professor. I type it. I send you the picture now. I already sent you the picture. I type it. This one is, instead you treat there. Quand tu donc, ça t'amène rond là-bas. June 21, 2007. May 21, 2007. February 07, 2007. I sent you a picture.
Yeah, I saw it. You see? You see how much easier it is?
Yeah, this one is better and it's taking you to the street because
Exactly.
between is like we are not too sure when it's between. Or
Exactly.
when, yeah.
Right? So with this one, it shows you everything that where it ends with what 2007. So it's so straightforward, right? Beautiful. So now, if I want to see everybody whose hire date is not 2000 is not 2007, right? What do I do? So I do what? Where hire date? What?
No like.
Not. Yeah, there you go. Not
like.
Not like what? This. Type that. So this will give me everybody whose date was not hired in 2007. So type that.
Yeah, I already tapped that one also. Very easy. So that's t'amène l'autre là-bas. Les choses que tu tapes, tu mets sur la soupe. C'est comment ça te...
Did you send me the picture?
I send you.
Very good. Good job, good job, good job. Right? So you see, how many rows did he give you?
Yeah, this one is telling you straight there. So if you are in the, you can say you want to see the people that they were
How
hired.
many rows did he give you?
It's giving me 88. Oh.
88 rows, right?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Give me 1 second.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Any questions about what we covered today?
No, Professor, very good. No.
You see, we covered a lot today, right? See, we did work today.
Mm-hmm. We covered the good thing. This is,
Yeah.
foundation.
Very
In fact,
good.
I would say it's the foundation. And
Very good, very good, very good. All right. So next week we're going to do sub query next week, and then we'll add some more stuff to this. Okay.
okay, no problem, Professor.
Very good, very good. Monday at 10, we'll start again.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Keep doing your projects and everything, and then Monday 10 we'll start again, madam.
Yeah, no problem, Professor. No problem. Thank you.
No problem, no problem. Have a good rest of the week, madam.
You too. Thank you. Bye.
Okay,
Bye, Professor.
okay,
I'm
madam.
happy for that. This thing, I would really want my, to take me again, my brain to come out and have all these things together before go out there and start looking for what to do.
No
Trust me.
problem. No problem. Okay, madam.
I want to get this money. Trust me.
I know. I see. You're hungry.
This big money, I'll get it, Professor.
You will get it. You will get it.
Thank you.
Okay, madam.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right. Bye.